Hey, what's up, Bulldogs? Dan McCabe, and want to touch base with this page, see what's going on with you guys. So, titled this one, Make It Easier, and then Make It Even Easier. And what that really means is a lot of us as entrepreneurs that work and build off of duplication, we need to keep figuring out ways to make it even easier for the new people that come into our business, whether it is network marketers or affiliate marketers. If you're on the internet space, no matter where it is, it's how do you make your systems and processes even easier for the next person to replicate. So I've been working on that, I don't know, nonstop. It seems like we are always doing that. And just as I was wrapping up the Bulldog Networker training site yesterday and like finishing up a whole bunch of additional stuff I was putting in there, I had a call with some people on my team this morning. They're like, hey, you can maybe do this. And I'm like, oh, you're right, I could do that, and that's going to make it even easier. But now I need to go redo a bunch of the stuff I did yesterday. So that's why you can see all the, well, I mean, it's kind of always set up behind me there, the video equipment, things like that, but had all the big lights on, was recording videos for like the last 3 hours, which was good. But, you know, that's an important lesson for any of my friends on this page, anybody here who is involved in network marketing. Duplication is definitely the hardest thing to achieve. Finding other people that have the same will, drive, determination that you have is a hard, difficult thing. And we need to figure out how can we get those people educated quickly, how can we get them ramped up, how can we get them up to speed to where they start seeing duplication, because the second they start seeing duplication, then you got them. Then they're there, because now they're making money, now they're building their business, and once they're helping other people do that, it just gets so much sweeter. My buddy Eric, he's got a saying that the first level of leadership is teaching people how to do what you do. The second level of leadership is teaching people how to teach. So that's kind of the promised land. That's where you want to go. And the end of his saying, I heard him say it one time, when you teach people how to teach, then you can go to the beach. And yeah, that could be more true. So it's figuring out that duplication. In order to do that, you need to keep making things easier. So we went from our regular model at a training site that was very robust, and we're bringing people through it. Like, here's all the knowledge that you could ever need. Here's all the knowledge you'll need. And we're giving it to them all, except for it's hitting them like a fire hose. And it was too much stuff. It's too complicated. Yeah, all the stuff was there, but if you're not some crazy, wacko, super driven person like myself, then it's really hard to digest all of that information. So then we went forward and we made it even easier. And we started taking people through this process of, as opposed to having to learn all that, just learn this one little bit and then help people go do our 14-day challenge. And we'll use the 14-day challenge to indoctrinate people. So as we take people through the 14-day challenge and we get them indoctrinated, that was better, that was easier. And then we created this whole system around strategic coaches, which was really nice. And we ultimately took on a, hold on please, Jax, we're live right now. Do you need something?
Where is things, please?
I am not sure. I think it's in the mudroom.
But it's not.
Okay, we'll look in a second. All right. Sorry about that. That's how you know these things are live in real life. So, where was I? Oh, yeah. So what we worked on today is how do we take people in our network marketing business and get them started even faster? And that's when we took all the stuff that I kind of created yesterday, which I thought was really simplifying it. I thought it was simplifying it with also giving people the product knowledge they need to become strategic coaches in our system. And then, yeah, Jackie on our team, she's like, well, we could do it like a 7-day launch type thing. And I'm like, that's what we need to do. We need to go to a 7-day launch. So we go through the 14-day challenge. Then we go to this, we got this 7-day launch concept that she came up with today. And then I totally binged out on it today like nobody's business and started building it all out, which it's super cool. And it's super simple, just super tiny, baby step, baby step, baby step, result, baby step, result, until they actually learn the stuff. And they created that duplication. They started creating some of their own momentum, and therefore you're off and running and you're off to the races. Because as soon as they go through that process and they are successful at that process, what happens next? Those people that they're building and growing and putting onto their team, whether it is through leads that we were working with or other people that came through the 14-day challenge or whoever it is that came through their team, now we're taking those same people and we're saying, all right, now you just go through these little baby steps. And now they're helping people go through those baby steps. And as those people go through the baby steps, then what happens? They need to teach those people to go through the baby steps. And you just kind of keep doing it. And that's how that snowball starts getting bigger. That's why I love the industry of network marketing for building long-term residual income, because you can build a really big team. You can leverage a lot of people to go out there and help you build a bigger paycheck. So, which is super cool. Now, of course, within the Residual Bulldog community, we've also created the affiliate product so we can get people paid faster. So I get that our product in our community and what it is that we do and teach and train people on, where we are bringing together and marrying the ideas of, affiliate marketing and network marketing, and we're bringing them kind of together in this one cohesive unit. It's a little more complicated than just saying, hey, just go do network marketing, do these little things, or just go do internet marketing and do these little things, because we want to bring it all together. So we do require a little bit more out of our people. Our people, they do need to spend a little more time. They need to be a little bit obsessive like I am. They need to, but that also helps. I mean, I like the idea of getting people that can understand all this stuff, because when they understand, when they get it, that's when we got gold. So they need to understand the industry of network marketing to an extent. They need to understand the industry of affiliate marketing, internet marketing to a certain extent. They need to understand our network marketing product. They need to understand any of the products that we have that they can affiliate. I mean, it all just needs to come together. It is what it is. So anyways, that's just, my own little point for the day. Figure out ways, whatever business you're building is, how can you make it easier, and then go figure out how you're going to make it even easier. And that really applies to anything and everything, not just duplication in your network marketing business or your internet marketing business, really any business you're running. The more simple you can make your systems and processes, the easier it's going to be for your team to be successful, the easier it will be for you to be successful. So anyways, that is that for the day, and I will talk to you guys here soon, and I will pop on here again, I'm sure, in no time at all. All right, talk soon. Thanks. Bye.